a comforting and hearty dish using a Filipino favorite known for its roots in the city of Bacolod. Our Madalicious recipe of the day, chicken inasal Java rice. I'm Liana Tan Arsenas, and I am so excited to share with you how to prepare our madali plus delicious recipe right here on Madalicious in Every Meal from San Miguel Foods Home Foodie. Ang inasal is a cherished Filipino dish known for its blend of savory, tangy, and smoky flavors. Yung chicken is marinated in a mix of traditional spices, yung suka nilang kilala sila, and calamansi before being grilled over charcoal, giving it a distinct taste. You simply cannot forget, ganun talaga siya kasarap. But today, you don't have to worry about making that marinade thanks to Magnolia Chicken Templados Inasal. Templado na ito and ready to cook. And you will need 2 packages of these. And here's our complete list of ingredients for today's Madalicious recipe. Now, let's cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of margarine in a medium pot, along with a tablespoon of oil. Once hot, add your Magnolia Chicken Templados Inasal and fry until fully cooked through. Here's a tip. Make sure your chicken cooks evenly and browns beautifully by slicing it deeper and flattening it. This technique ensures that the heat is distributed more evenly, giving you a perfectly cooked and golden brown finish. Set this aside for later and we'll come back to it. In the same pot, we'll add the rest of margarine and achuete seeds or anato, which will give our dish that beautiful golden orange hue. Please don't forget to discard the seeds once the color is infused, at pwede kang gumamit ng strainer to filter the seeds out. This is a very nice golden orange color. Add cubed onions, short grain rice, and iodized fine salt. Stir that for about a minute, then pour in 2 cups of chicken stock. Haluin natin ng mabuti and continuously until the rice mixture starts to boil. I-lower natin ang heat, cover the pot, and let the rice cook for about 20 minutes or until almost tender and full of flavor. Once the rice is almost done, add in frozen mixed veggies and give everything a gentle stir. This adds color and texture, making it even more delicious. For the grand finale, place your cooked Magnolia Chicken Templados Inasal on top of the rice, cover, and then let this sit for just a minute or 2 to allow all those flavors to come together. I'm really liking how this looks. Ang ganda talaga, and it deserves to be posted on your social media account. A hearty, flavorful meal that combines the rich taste of inasal with the comfort of garlic rice and veggies. Ang sarap talaga, napaka-comforting ng flavors. Join us again next time for more madali plus delicious recipes to make your everyday meals extra special. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again.